Receive high-quality asset health, corrosion, and erosion data in high-temperature applications without the need to weld studs, using Emerson's Rosemount wireless WT210 corrosion and erosion transmitter with the universal mount. This easy-to-use, non-intrusive, and couplant-free solution provides continuous corrosion and erosion monitoring on applications operating at up to 425 degrees Celsius without the hassle of welding. The banding solution fits around the pipe, allowing for quick and easy installation without a process shutdown and unnecessary downtime. With faster installation comes faster commissioning, which allows you to more promptly gather vital data and insights. This solution allows for monitoring on a variety of pipe orientations and materials, from straight piping to elbows, and from carbon steel to stainless steel. And if you need to relocate your transmitter, the universal mount helps make that process quick and simple. Highly accurate continuous corrosion and erosion monitoring in high-temperature applications has never been easier and more hassle-free. Learn more about the Rosemount WT210 transmitter with the universal mount and all our corrosion and erosion monitoring solutions by visiting our website.